Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by अमूल में देवियों सज्जनों अब वक्त है फीमेल 76 यानी 76 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती का। दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रही है यूक्रेन मूल की एनास्तासिया शुस्तोवा।
Să șicanja Petrose More medan Bijli sa khele Delhi Sultan Delhi Sultan Delhi Sultan
Double Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by अमूल में इस 76 किलोग्राम महिलाओं वर्ग की कुश्ती में पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रही हैं फ्रांसीसी मूल की सिंथिया वेस्केन।
The wonders of the fourth season. It has progressed every season. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Joe Bart, and with me, the CEO of Pro Wrestling League, Mr. Sunil Yashkalra in the house. We are getting interesting results as of now, we could see. Though it was a one-sided, but a brilliantly orchestrated bout by Ketik Sobolov. And now, a female 76 category. Who do you think has a better chance?
I would put my money on Cynthia Veskin, you know, the 25-year-old French girl. She's in her second year, although not the initial choice for Punjab Royals in the first in the season. She's a replacement of Maria Mamchuk.
Okay, so basically here we have Ukraine and France neck and neck. Delhi Sultans represented by Anastasia Shustova. And Stuti Punjab Royals have Cynthia Vescan from France, and the bout has started. That's the winner of the first bout. Ketik Sobolov on your screens right now, trying to figure each other out and see who draws the first blood is what we got to see. Sunil, traditionally every bout starts with a grapple.
Yes.
From the shoulders.
Yes.
The contact. And then arms and wrists are used to kind of pull down to get the opponent off balance. If that is not possible, it's basically waist downwards.
Yes.
You go for the grab and then knock them off their balance.
Correct.
Yeah. So basically, in this combat sport, it's about throwing the opponent down in the best possible way, and your opponent will try and stand as much as possible. So basically, what I want to know, a point is scored when the elbows and the knees, all four of them touch the ground.
That's correct.
You get a point.
That's what you get.
If you put them flat, back on the tummy downwards,
it's over.
It's okay. So, there you go. That's the example where we can see that Stuti Punjab Royals can see Cynthia right now trying to get that, and she got off balance, but then again she has converted that attack into her favor. This is where it is spread-eagled for Anastasia, and Anastasia is trying to get back again. In the action replay, we get to see what just transpired in this.
Well, there were incomplete attacks. It didn't fructify into any
Sunil,
points.
run me through the action replay, please.
Look at this. She was trying to get over Vescan, Vanessa, and suddenly couldn't get it. So, and it was a counter attack by Cynthia Vescan, the French girl who played in the Olympics. And suddenly there were no points scored. And Punjab, yes, stand corrected, Punjab scored 2 points in that counter attack. Let's see how it shapes now.
Okay, we get to see that these two wrestlers are right now trying to get the opponent down.
Yes.
So that's the basic crux of this sport.
Yes, certainly that's how it is, and you gather maximum number of points. But there is a little distinction here.
Okay.
The higher weight category.
Yes.
And you know, you would find them you would find them going for the upper part of the body. Whereas the lower weight categories go for the attack and for the leg attack, and then they revolve and then attack from the back, which you would see happening in the first time when Cynthia got the first 2 points.
Stuti Punjab Royals at an advantage of 2 points. Right now, Delhi Sultans, Anastasia needs to open her account. She's looking for that chance. She's looking for that opportunity if she can get. But it was not possible because that is the end of the first round of the second bout of day number 6 of Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4, co-powered by Amul. Delhi Sultan still needs to open their account. It's a 0-2 lead in favor of Stuti Punjab Royals. This is Dabur Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4, co-powered by Amul. I am Joe Bhatt and I have CEO Mr. Sunil Yash Kalra in the commentary box with us, and he is helping us go through and understand this very niche sport, which is the oldest sport, the royal sport, and a combat sport of the earliest kinds. It's prehistoric, really, if we come to think of it. And it has different styles. Every area in the world, Iranian style of wrestling, Mongolian style of wrestling, Indian style of wrestling, South American style of wrestling, and then a European style of wrestling, and especially the Russian Union style of wrestling.
Absolutely, Joe. This is what it has evolved in the past 200 years, but this is the best what you could see in 76 kg category right now.
Delhi Sultan's in trouble as of now. Once again, there has been an advantage, and let's see if that has been converted into points.
Well, I could see Dharampal Rathi, the owner of NCR Punjab Royals. Let's see how it shapes up. Cynthia Westcott definitely ruling the roost here. Let's see how she takes it. But on a good day, you would find a Ukrainian player and a French player largely as a football team or any other European sport.
Yeah, traditionally you would see them in soccer, actually. I mean, that's, or maybe in a Winter Olympics or one of those sports.
But here, right in the heart of Ludhiana, you have two of the international players playing for Delhi as well as Punjab. Now that's irony.
Wow. Well, these are the wonders of Pro Wrestling League, and this is the 4th edition. As of now, Punjab is at a 2-point advantage. Delhi Sultans are trying to find a chink in the opponent's armor. Would it be possible for, Anastasia Shevtsova from Ukraine?
Well, Anastasia is less on experience, and she has abundant power, but she's little less on experience, and that's what is being shown on the mat. Whereas Cynthia Westcott, who's played in the Rio Olympics, daughter of a Greco-Roman player in France, and tries and works out in Russia and the other part to increase her weight and strength training. 8 months of the year she's there. So that's how she knows the game plan of Anastasia.
Because traditionally France is not the kind of a country where we get to see wrestling as a big sport.
Correct.
It's a niche sport.
Absolutely. In fact, last year you must remember the Kumbha Larok in the same category, the girl who had come and dazzled everyone.
Last 30 seconds of the second round of the second bout. Right now, again, Stuti Punjab Royals at an advantage. Cynthia going for the kill, but did she convert it into points? I have a feeling yes, because the way she brought her opponent down, there was an attack, yes, by Anastasia, but that was not possible.
It was an incomplete attack, Joe, as we said. Let's see how it happens. Another 15 seconds, 10 seconds to go, and the crowd is already rooting for the Punjab girl. You could see the Bhangra crowd. It's done. Punjab's home.
Last few seconds, it was the brilliance of Anastasia. She tried her level best in the last-ditch effort to try and score some points because it was not much of a point difference. 3 seconds still left on the mat, though it is a formality.
Wow.
And there you go. Here is what we call the wonders, where 1 point was scored in those last 3 minutes, 3 seconds, which could be eternity on the mat, and it's like just 3 seconds. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the winner on your screen from Stuti Punjab Royals.
मत ले पंगा।